gonna go on the left side, you go more on the right side, okay?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Down. Just lay down.
Hospital.
Just lay down for me. Just lay down. Just lay down. Can you lay down for me? I'll take care of you, buddy. Oh man.
Call the hospital.
Is it recording? Do you want me to take your stuff off for you?
Yes, please.
Okay, here. Just relax. Just lay down. Relax, buddy.
No, sir.
Just relax. You're good. You're okay.
So what happened?
You went over frontwards.
Why?
I'm not sure, but
blood footage. What about my nose?
Your nose is bleeding. I think you might have broken it, maybe. I don't know. Your helmet's fucked though. Like, okay. Yeah, just take it off. You want your brace off? Good. Yeah.
All I need is a hug, man. Please tell me I'm okay.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
You're okay, buddy. You're okay. You're okay. If you need medical attention, we'll get it for you. But you're okay right now. You're okay. You're good. Yeah, I just need you to relax.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was scary though.
Yeah, it was.
What happened though?
You just went over forward.
Yeah.
So good. So good. Another distance.
How far did I go?
You literally, like, you hit there and then you rolled all the way here. Like you
kind of like what happened.
Kind of like your first crash.
When that happened, I'm just like, oh my god, what the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? I got like deja vu.
Yeah? Okay. Your first crash?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I swear to God, this happened to me in my dream 3 nights ago with you. Swear to God,
really?
word for word.
Word for word.
This happened for me.
You know?
And we were both in playing like the video game. We were both at different levels. Nathan, you and me.
It comes to me too. Whenever I crash, I think that I remember this happening before. Well, you know where we are, right?
Yeah, there's a little.
Fuck off. I think you might be a little bit concussed. Is your head's really hurting?
Yeah, of course. I fucking broke that thing, dude.
Yeah. 100%.
Shooken up as fuck.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Let's assess the damage here. Not really any damage. Just
I'm just really shooken up, dude.
Yeah.
Like really shooken up.
Yeah, you got it really good. I think it's hospital time, maybe.
What happened?
Your forehead's just all red.
Okay, call the hospital.
Yeah? How about I just take you to the hospital? It will be a lot quicker.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure you're good.
No, call the medic.
Call the medic?
Please, right
Okay.
away.
Alright. What is it? Just 911 or?
Yeah.
On my way, Tommy. Don't you worry. You're gonna be just fine.
I'm out for safety. Not fucking wad up in the dunes.
Good. You know where you are?
Well, yes, I'm at the. I forget the name of this town, Brawley Hospital.
Yeah, Brawley. Yes. Pick up your phone, get your ass.
Pretty bad right there.
Are you recording?
I am, yeah. Hey, is that, do you want me not to? So Tom, Glamis again?
Glamis, never.
Never.
Oh,
Never ever.
how tired yours, buddy?
He's gonna be getting back on the bike tomorrow.
Guys, I lost all eyesight for the rest of my life. No, man, I had a concussion, guy. Alright, guys, so this is what motocross is. Takes pain, takes concussions, takes a good friend by your side, giving you a hug when you're down on the ground. Did you think, like, what a homo?
Well, not really. Get this in here, right here.
But how do you know it's done just because of that?
It's screwed, man.
Really?
I mean, you can put it back on if you want.
But it's just, I have an extra one.
I would chop it right here and make it a Ronnie Mac helmet.
And I wanted this secretly deep down. I wanted to experience motocross in Cali. Right? Did I not want to experience motocross?
You wanted to experience it, but, I mean,
Not this way.
not this way.
Look at that tire burn. Don't you just feel alive after shit like this happens? So, the best thing about having concussion is you can eat whatever the fuck you want to eat afterwards.
Try it.
As long as you can chow it down, but hopefully it goes down.
So we got some crazy bread. We got pepperoni pizza, and then I got a McGriddle from McDonald's. And Tom, what did you get?
Quarter pounder with cheese, Coke, and same shit you're having there.
Nice.